Mangcobo Sana asking her kids if Mthunzi can move in with her in the main bedroom. Sana, what an awkward conversation to have with your parents. What an awkward conversation. But anyway, I love the respect that she is giving to her kids. This is exactly the respect that children deserve. Even if you know that you have a stepdad, you cannot just see your stepdad, waking up in your mom's room. That's so awkward. The fact that she was kind of asking for permission or just, checking up with the kids, how do they feel about such a huge transaction. For me, it makes me to clap for Mahlomo. Meanwhile, Mahlomo is moving and living her best life with her boyfriend, Mthunzi. Sana uNhloso uyagowisha, uyafokofa. Yay. Like, Nhloso is going through it right now with his wedding issues with uDinhle. Hey, akagowisha uNhloso uyafokofa, akagowisha uNhloso ufufela komoyengi. Love it for Elsa, who have he realizes that he has made a mistake, or he made a mistake in marrying uDinhle. Dinhle could never be the woman that she is, okay? So guys, whilst uNhloso is apologizing to uMahlomo, what exactly is he trying to say? Like, what exactly is he trying to say? Is he saying that he's willing to be a stepfather to Mthunzi's son? Like, Nhloso, my babe, Nhloso, what are you saying? Okay, you are saying it's okay, you can go and raise Mthunzi's child and be a stepdad. Oh, Sana, akagowisha uNhloso uyafokofa, akagowisha uNhloso ufufela komoyengi. Love is for uMahlomo. I love it for uMahlomo. So uNhloso will also go and attack Mthunzi, because he's going to realize that Mthunzi now is getting really close to his children, and he's also going to go and try to apologize to Lihle, that Lihle find out the way that she found out about them moving to a new house and everything, and also just he's gonna just assault Mthunzi. So I don't know if Mthunzi will just open the case for uNhloso. I think at this point Mthunzi will open the case for uNhloso. Sana, I love it for Mahlomo. A win is a win. A win is a win. Move on with your life for Mahlomo, even though Mthunzi is not the best candidate. But if Mthunzi is the best candidate for Mahlomo, so be it. So be it. Is to be a who of a husband. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Because tell me why this man is busy working with a woman till late hours, never prioritizing his wife, and when Thoriso is angry, he does not understand. He's like, are you jealous of my success? Like, say, what do you even mean? What success? What success? If there's someone who stays behind you and who encourage you and who wants to see you win, definitely that person has to be Thoriso. Like, hands down, Thoriso wants to see Poyet win. But definitely, if Poyet does not want to see himself winning, there is nothing that can be done at this point. There is absolutely nothing that can be done. It all depends on Poyet. Poyet, babe, do you want to see yourself win? Yes or no? Because there's absolutely nothing that can be done, okay? I must say, when it comes to Dinhle and Nhloso, that marriage to me is dead. It's boring and dead. But however, when it comes to Thoriso and Poyet, I'm hurt, and I'm hopeful that Poyet Manchi will come to his senses very soon and realize that he's making a huge mistake. One of the biggest mistake of his life by letting Thoriso go. You don't let a woman like Thoriso go. You just don't. Okay, you just don't. And realizes that Buyi definitely have ill intentions towards him and the relationship that he have with Thoriso, just definitely does not wish him well at all. What surprises me here ukuthi mother in love kaMahlomo uyeza lana uzobuza uMahlomo ukuthi kahle kuhamba kanjani phakathi kwakhe benendodana yakhe phela uNhloso. uMahlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayi no kuyahamba khona akufani. Useyabuza ngilana ukuthi kodwa yona inkonzo yasekamereni isabanjwa nje.
Hayi-ke uMadlomo uyasho ukuthi no inkonzo yasekamereni okwamanje kusathiwe nje pause, uMother in Love uyachaza-ke lokho ukuthi no akuyona-ke nje into enhle ukupauza phela noma ukumisa inkonzo yasekamereni, ngoba inkonzo yasekamereni iyona esikhathini esiningi evamise ukusondeza abantu noma ukwenza abantu bezizwe phela besondelene. Mangabe-ke isifakiwe futhi kupause akube kusaba yinto enhle. Hayi-ke uMadlomo-ke lana uyasho ukuthi no yena nje akanayo inkinga nincane le inkinga nokuthi phela inkonzo yasekamereni ifakwe kupause. Uyasho-ke lana uMadlomo ukuthi noma isingamiswa unomphele, ke bandla uMother in Love wabe nje uselahlekelwe, she lost her mind, and she then said, lalela la wentombazane Madlomo, wena umamkhulu wala ekhaya, futhi ngoba umamkhulu wala ekhaya nje usuzoba nomnakweni, awufuni-ke phela ukuthi uNhloso ehambe eyohlala kamnakwenu engabe nje esabuya la ekhaya. Hayi-ke uMadlomo uyasho ukuthi kanti khululekayo wema, anginayo nje mina inkinga ngisho nencane, noma ngathiwa uNhloso uyahamba uyohlala kamnakwethu akasabuyi nje kuzobe vele kusayifanele. And uyasho-ke lana uMadlomo ukuthi kusiza ngani ukugxila enkonzweni yasekamereni, ngoba nangalesikhathi besagxilile kakhulu enkonzweni kwasekamereni, lokho akukaze kumenze umyeni wakhe ukuthi ethembeke kuyena, so kusazifanela. And uMother in Love uyasho-ke lana ukuthi no yena mhlawumbe iy'nsuku zakhe zokuthi ethuthe ebuyele ngasekhaya seziya ngokufika, so therefore uMadlomo lo kuzomele kube uyena uzofundisa umnakwabo ukuthi izinto la ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Wavuka nje libomvu uMadlomo ethubani yena, mina ngifundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto la ekhaya ngifile ngoba nje into engasoze ngayenza leyo, sobe ngakwazi mina ukufundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto zala ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Uyasho lana ukuthi yena nje mangabe kukhona umuntu ayoke emfundise ukuthi ini kuyobe kuwumfazi-ke kaThuthuka, futhi yena ngoba nalapho kuyobe kumphoqa. Hayi-ke kuthe kusenjalo wangena uLuntuzana. Kayizini ngisacela ukunibuza lana ukuthi ngokwenu ukubona, ngabe nibone ngathi uMother in Love ufe yini Nkosi yami, noma uMother in Love Nkosi yami usecacisile phela ukuthi no, if she has to choose a side, she will definitely choose her son's side, which in a way ngiyamblame uMother in Love, in a way I can blame ekugcineni kosuku uNhloso iyona ndodana yakhe iyange impela. So-ke kayizini-ke uNhloso-ke lana futhi uyakhuluma-ke noMadlomo. uNhloso kayizini, hayi ngeke shame akhona yini ngempela amadoda afana noNhloso? Ngiyazi phela mina into enjeni, uNhloso kahlahle uyasigila. So-ke uNhloso-ke lana ubhizi-ke uphansi phezulu, uyafuna uyacinga umatasatasa, ucinga-ke phela yona incwadi yamalobolo. Ubuza ngisho uMadlomo isibindi sikaNhloso sokubusa uMadlomo ukuthi uyayazi yini ukuthi incwadi yamalobolo ikuphi. Hayi bo wenhloso, khuzeka wenhloso, unqandeka kuse-early futhi. uMadlomo-ke lana uyasho ukuthi lalela-ke Nhloso, angiyazi nje mina incwadi yakhe yamalobolo, and uyasho-ke lana ukuthi no, ngisacela sikhulume. uNhloso uyamdismissa ukuthi no sizobuye sikhulume, kodwa okwamanje ngisafuna incwadi yamalobolo so that sizohamba siyoyenza umshado wethu ukuthi ube right, ube legally mina noZinhle, so that mina nawe sizophinde sishade futhi. uMadlomo uyasho-ke lana ukuthi kahle iyona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngawe leyo. Mina ngifisa wazi ukuthi angifuni ukuphinde ngishade nawe noma ukuphinde ngivuselele umshado wethu phakathi kwami nawe. Ngihappy nje ngokuthi umshado wethu usuhlezi ku-divorce. uNhloso uyasho-ke lana ukuthi hayi bo, ukhuluma ngani manje Mahlobo? Engani sasikhulumile vele nasekuqaleni ukuthi sizolontuza sizohlukanisa so that ngizokwazi ukushada uDinhle. So as soon as I'm done ngendaba kaDinhle sizohamba siyovuselela umshado wethu. Yay uMahlomo vela sihlalela wenhloso, wena wakhuluma mina ngamamela. Mina nje into esengifisa ukuthi uyazi njengamanje ukuthi mina ngikhathele ngitikiwe finish, okay, ukuthi ngibe umfazi wakho. Ukuba umfazi wakho nje sekuyanginyanyisa, angisakuthandi. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo, stand your ground. Stand your ground wena Madlomo. Like I've been rooting for Madlomo to stand her ground. I've been Team Madlomo all the way. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo, I am all in support for you. What you are actually doing, I'm in support. Okay, be you, okay? And it appears yelana ukuthi uNhloso Nkosiyami cares a little, cares a little nge-opinion kaMadlomo, nanokuthi uMadlomo uzizwa kanjani ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Kodwa-ke guysini akusena ndaba Nkosi yami, like honestly, like for me angisenayo indaba engako, as long as uMadlomo is now standing her ground, as long as uMadlomo, she's now this person who's just like lalela wenhloso sengikhathele, like sengi-right wena, ndidikiwe, ndi-sharp, ndi-finish nje. I just wish for you to understand ukuthi you have taken so much from me. And since you have taken so much from me, I am honestly tired and have no desire to continue being your wife, okay? Ngifuna ukuthi sehlukaniso sibe khona, sibe nje right and present, okay? Meanwhile, on the other side, Dinhle, she's trying so hard to explain to her kids so that they would understand ukuthi kahle kahle what is polygamy. It seems like Dinhle's kids don't understand what is polygamy and all that. And Dinhle also is trying to justify it as much as she can. Which, no, polygamy is not as bad as you think. Polygamy is actually a good thing. It brings families together. It avoids divorce, this and that. Well, we all know, of course, Dinhle will be in support and favor of polygamy because right now, okay? But if tables were turned, Dinhle was actually in Madlomo's shoes, she was gonna be crying, okay? She was gonna be crying and she was never gonna understand ukuthi ngobani kuzoze kuthiwa kuba nepolygamy, ngoba kwenze njani polygamy, ngoba kwenze njani, but ke guys, because uzoba umamncane, I mean it's all roses right now. Uthi nje no, it's tempo, yona into right, it avoids black families breaking up, this and that, okay? So guys, please, while sisakhuluma ngoMadlomo, can you all tell me, like, let's just predict, okay? What do you all think? Do you think ukuthi uMadlomo lona do you think ukuthi uMadlomo she will actually not go uzohlala uMadlomo until or accepts uDinhle njengoba mncane, because uMadlomo usehlalile Nkosi yami, wayeshila ukuthi nje yena angeke sekwazi, but at the end of the day, she just have people who influences her, and she end up just accepting ukuthi it is what it is, what choice do I have, this is my man. Do you think this time around uMadlomo is standing on business? Madlomo is standing on business and she's just like lalela, andifuna kwazi ukuthi ini akuyona ini, like I don't even wanna know at this point, like it's none of my business. I don't wanna know. Nje mina into engiyaziyo for sure ukuthi ngizothatha imithwalo yami off, gone. Do you all think uMadlomo, like, she have it in her to just be like lalela, this is me gone right now, this is me gone, this is me going. Like, I would love for uMadlomo to leave uNhloso. Honestly, I feel like uNhloso just deserves uDinhle wakhe, and uMadlomo deserve ukuthi ayikhulisele ingane zakhe in peace. And uNhloso at some point uyasho lana ukuthi no, if that's the case then it's fine. He will not argue with his wife uMadlomo, rather he will make sure ukuthi uMadlomo umnikeza ispace bese yena eyayihambela eyayela and then he will go to live with uDintle. Yes, Sana. I don't know. Is this the end of Mahlomo and Nhloso's marriage? It has been long coming. Honestly. This marriage should end. Meanwhile, we have uThalita. Why is Thalita having so many secrets? Like, what? Why? Okay, I don't know. Somehow, someway, uThalita have a child that is not his. Or rather, is it his? I don't know. But somewhere, somehow, Thalita have a child that is not his and has been raising it with her husband, and somehow uBridget find out, and now uBridget is threatening uThalita. At some point, uThalita was even considering working with Mthunzi. Guys, like, this is not like Thalita. Like, Thalita, my ma'am, who have you been? Okay, so uThalita is now working with Mthunzi, and they're now like conspiring how to get rid of Bridget, because Bridget has been sniffing, okay? And as soon as Bridget finds this information, she's gonna take the information to her husband, and that's the last thing she wants, okay? It seems like uThalita, she is on the mission of protecting herself and protecting her secret, And I'm like, Thalita babe, like, make it make sense, okay? Make it make sense at this point. Why do you have so much secrets? But anyway, I love the fact that Thalita agreed to eliminate uBridget, but she couldn't bring herself to it, She then calls uBridget in panic, in panic mode, to say, hey, Bridgie, where are you? And wants Bridget to run away from the location, because that's the location that she had set up that Bridget will be eliminated in. And luckily, guys, Bridget is fine. Bridget was not harmed by Mthunzi. And at this point, uThalita really does not have a choice but to, kind of disclose her secrets to Bridget. And it does not look like Bridget is as willing, to keep a secret for uThalita, which I'm like, okay, but Bridget, bro, why are you poking your nose into other people's business? Like, your nose does not belong, and your nose is inside within other people's business, and this is not cute at all, But yeah, it does seem like as soon as uThalita Bridget finds out, because Bridget is very much close with uThebs, it does appear as if the first thing that she will do, she will just go and indulge everything with Thebs. Like Thebs, oh, your mother have scandals in her bag, and this is what I found out about your mother. Guys, do you think that Thalita at this point should have just been like, it's his fate, let it be? Whatever that was meant to happen to Bridget will happen, and it's none of my business. Let fate play its role. Do you think Thalita was supposed to approach this whole thing with that mindset? At this point, I do. At this point, I do, and I don't care if it makes me a bad person, because Thalita, babe, mind your own business. Like, for real. Mind your own business. Mind your own business, Thalita. Like, for real. At this point, it's like, for real, mind your own business. Yo, uThalita, guys, like, uyang stressa.